So today, we're going to do a makeup game to everyone's. Your mama wins, she gets to put makeup on me, but I get to put makeup on her.
So basically, we are going to be playing with our Square Panda device. We play with Square Panda pretty much every day. It's a child's learning reading system, and I thought, why not make it a cool challenge video where me and you can have a competition with this reading game.
Yeah.
On Square Panda, it tells us which letter we need to find. We both have our Square Panda tiles, and we are both going to try to look for this letter. Whoever finds it, you can put it in the Square Panda device, and you are the winner for that round. And that means you get to put makeup on me. Or if I win, I get to put makeup on you.
Yes.
The first letter is D. I found it. I found D first. I found D first.
Now you get to put it on me.
Lipstick. Okay, look at me. Ah, beautiful. All right, let's go for the next one. What's the next one? What's the next letter? V. Ready, set, go. Find V.
I found it.
Ah, you found it. Ah, you found it. Eyeshadow. She chose eyeshadow.
This color.
Okay.
Oh, that
How's it look?
sounds beautiful.
Thank you. H.
H.
H. Find H.
Okay. Here.
Oh, you got it. You get to put makeup on me again.
Yeah. Found it. Na 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 na.
Oh, great. More eyeshadow.
This one I think is beautiful.
Where?
It feels kind of bouncy like the other one. I won! Ha 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 ha!
I. Find I.
I found it!
You can put more.
Yeah, I got it! Oh, it's lipstick.
Oh, lipstick.
You keep winning, then you can win.
How do I look so far?
So beautiful.
It says X. The next one is X.
Found it!
Ah, you're really good at this game. Lip gloss.
Yes. Mama, I keep winning, so you don't get to win.
I know. I can tell. I think everyone else can tell too.
You.
You. Let's go. Ready, set, go.
Go. I found it! Sorry, Mom.
I think I would have better luck if I played with your little brother. Oh, my concealer for under my eyes.
Right here?
That's above my eyes. Under my eyes is down here, where you can see the bags.
Like this?
Yeah, from you and your brother.
There.
Thank you so much.
I found it. Ha 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 ah ah ah. See?
Z, ready, set, go.
Found it! But sorry, Mom. Ooh, this is a good one.
All right.
Maybe put on me, too.
Oh, you can put on you too. Beautiful. All right. Next one.
F.
F. I got it.
Yeah!
Woo! I got it finally. Oh, beautiful and beautiful.
You got it finally.
What letter is that?
B.
B, like in Abby.
Yeah. Find it!
I did too. Perfect.
I'll put that on your cheeks.
Okay. Lip gloss on my cheeks.
I will play you even more. I can clear the J.
She knows all of her letters now, all of her letters down. She's starting to learn how to read, all because of Square Panda. If you want to try Square Panda at home too, make sure you click the link in my description so you can get yourself a Square Panda to play with your kids and have them learn to love reading. Make screen time.
2 learning time.
Good job.